How to find and restore deleted voice memos in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open apps library and then click on utilities. Now click on voice memos, and here you can find and restore your deleted voice memos. Now click on back option, and here you can see the option recently deleted. Now click on it and then click on edit. Now select our voice memos, and here you can see the option recover. Now simply click on recover and then again click on recover to recordings. So this is the way to find and restore deleted voice memos in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.